Geometric progression or geometric sequence. Well, a sequence u1, u2, u3, u4 up to un up to so on is said to be a geometric progression if ratio between any two consecutive terms is a fixed constant number. That is u2 over u1, u3 over u2, u4 over u3 up to so on un plus 1 over un equals to, they are equal. This constant is called common ratio and is denoted by R. So, well, suppose हमारे पास एक sequence like 3, 6, 12, 24 up to so on. अगर हम consecutive terms की ratio लें, उनको divide करें 6 over 3, u2 over u1, 12 over 6, u3 over u2, 24 over 12, u4 over u3. तो हम देख रहे हैं कि ये जो सारी ratios हैं, they are equal to 2. So a sequence in which ratio between any two consecutive terms is a fixed constant number is called a geometric sequence. तो इस तरह हम identify करेंगे geometric sequences को. अच्छा, well, ये जो fixed constant number आ रहा है is called common ratio और इसको हम denote करेंगे by R. This ratio is denoted by R. So a sequence, in other words, जिसमें हमारे पास हर next term RAO by multiplying previous term with a fixed number like 2 in this case is called a geometric progression or geometric sequence. well, कुछ notations जो हम इसके लिए use करेंगे in problem solving. A जो है हमारे पास, A is first term also denoted by u1. तो ये दो notations हम first term of a geometric progression के लिए use करेंगे, A and u1. R is common ratio, L is last term of geometric sequence and un is nth term of the sequence. अच्छा, terms of a geometric progression, अगर हमारे पास एक geometric progression की first term A और common ratio R हो तो जो उसकी general terms होंगी वो इस type की होंगी. first term A, second term AR square, AR cube. जिस तरह like हमने arithmetic progression में किया था कि we keep adding D to get next terms. Similarly, we keep multiplying by R to get next terms of geometric progression. So first term A, second term A times R, AR, third term AR into R, AR square, next term AR square into R, AR cube up to continue. Well, जो nth term of this progression है, geometric progression है, its formula is un is equal to AR power n minus 1 और ये formula हमें given in formula sheet. तो हमने जस्ट नोटेशंस की केयर करनी है कि A is first term, R is ratio and n is position of term is nth term. So un equals to AR raised to the power n minus 1. याद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, it's given in formula sheet. Now moving towards some example. Third term of a geometric progression is 9. So we are given third term u3. u3 हमें given है 9 है. For a geometric progression की केयर करनी है, it's a geometric progression. And the ratio is -3. R is -3. Ratio is -3. Find the sixth term. We need sixth term, and the nth term. We need nth term as well. So we need sixth term and nth term of this progression, whose third term is 9, and the ratio is -3. Acha, well, so the third term u3 is 9. u3 is equal to 9. u4 will be equals to, क्या करते थे, multiply previous term by ratio R to get next terms. So u4 will be 9 times -3 means -27. u5 equals to -27 times -3 which is 81. And u6 will be equals to 81 times -3 which is equals to -243. So the sixth term of this progression is -243. Now we will find nth term for this progression. So for nth term of this progression, we use formula un equals to AR power n minus 1. याद रखना, to write nth term of the progression, we need its first term and the common ratio R. अब common ratio तो हमें given है, but जो first term A है वो हमें given नहीं, तो first we will find first term of this progression. किस तरह? We are given third term is 9. n की जगह 3 put करें तो u3 is equal to AR raised to the power 3 minus 1. u3 is 9. 9 equals to AR square. Also r is -3, so 9 is equal to a times -3 square. 9 equals to 9a. 9 over 9 is 1, so a is equal to 1. So first term is 1, ratio is -3. Now we can find nth term of this progression. Nth term will be un equals to a r power n minus 1. Formula given a formula sheet में un is required, a is 1, r is -3 raised to the power n minus 1. So the nth term of this progression is -3 raised to the power n minus 1. Well, another example. Here we are given second and fifth terms in a geometric progression. Second term u2 is 12 and the fifth term u5 is 40.5. Find the first term. A u1 is required and the common ratio r is also required. Hence write down an expression for nth term. After finding a and r, write down nth term of this progression. Okay, well, so if we are given u2 and u5, we are given u2 for the given progression is 12 and u5 for the given progression is 40.5. Using formula for nth term, because we need first term and common ratio, un equals to a r power n minus 1. Progression की केयर करनी है, it's geometric progression. तो geometric का formula pick करना है from formula booklet. Okay, for second term put n is equal to 2, u2 is equal to a r raised to the power 2 minus 1. u2 is 12, so 12 equals to a r. Say this is equation number 1. Similarly, for fifth term, put n is equal to 5, u5 equals to a r power 5 minus 1. u5 is 40.5, so 40.5 equals to a r raised to the power 4. Say this is equation number 2. Now to find r, अगर हम दोनों equations को divide कर दें, equation 2 divided by equation 1, तो हमारे पास r की value आ जाएगी. So 2 equation की left side है 40.5 divided by 12 equals to a r power 4 divided by a r. Dividing both equations, a cancel हो जाएगा with a. So we are left with 40.5 divided by 12. Use your calculator. This is 3 over 2. Using calculator, 40.5 over 12 is 3 over 2 equals to r cube. ये power 1 subtract कर देंगे from 4, so it's r cube. So r equals to taking, sorry, it's 40.5 over 12 is 27 over 8 is 27 over 8. So r cube is 27 over 8. Now take cube roots on both sides. Cube root 27 over 8 is equal to r. Using calculator, this expression is 27 over 8. So cube root of 27 over 8, again using calculator, is 3 over 2. So ratio r is 3 over 2. So we are done with common ratio. Now we need first term. For first term, substitute value of r in equation 1. अगर हम 1 में put करेंगे r, तो we have 12 equals to a into 3 over 2. 12 times 2 divided by 3 is equal to a. So this is 8. 8 is equal to a. So the first term of progression is a is equal to 8. Now the next step is to find nth term of the progression. Using formula for nth term, it's a r power n minus 1. So un is equal to a is 8, ratio is 3 over 2, raised to the power n minus 1 because we need nth term. So un is equal to 8 multiplied 3 raised to the power n minus 1, distributing power 2 raised to the power n minus 1. Or we can write it, so this is a simplified answer. Yeah, we can leave it in the previous step, means un is 8 times 3 over 2 raised to the power n minus 1. So this is required nth term. Another example, well, nth term of a geometric progression is given. So we are given nth term of progression, un is equal to 9 times minus 2 over 3 raised to the power n. Find the first term. So for first term, put n is equal to 1. Sorry, for first term, put n is equal to 1. So u1 is equal to 9 times minus 2 over 3 raised to the power 1. Using calculator, this is equals to negative 6. And secondly, find the common ratio R. Common ratio R is ratio between any two consecutive terms. So to find R, we need another term. So suppose put n is equal to 2. Put 2 put karenge to 9 times minus 2 over 3 square. Using calculator, this is equals to 4. So the second term is 4. Now the ratio is R equals to U2 over U1. U2 is 4, U1 is negative 6. So the common ratio R is minus 2 divided by 3. So this is common ratio for the given progression.